Within 10 rounds, we are going to start. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
5, 6, 7, go.
Good morning.
Ready? Smile and walk and 30 speed. This is our normal speed. Others relax. Only this statue. And this. Introducing a new word, that is image. Okay, I'm coming. This is my live action, right? This is my live action. So, first image, second image, third image, fourth image, fifth image. That means there are lots of images are there. Small chair, very small chair, chair for children, chair for baby, and chair for Prime Minister. My point? हम जब बच्चे थे, just make an image. Whole image. Great, all are doing good. Now, live the image. Yes, good. Relax, ma'am. Now, I am going to give you some situation. You have to make an image of that situation. Okay? वो रख के चला गया एक लेटर A4 साइज का एक लेटर, उस पे आप लोगों का नाम हो सकता है ऊपर, शायद नाम तो होगा ही। ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे
In one side, you have to write the success or possibilities of the teacher, right? While taking a class. Okay, success.
One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Relax. 30, 30. 40. Great. Take this space. Take this space. 5, 6, 7, start. Oh, aha, oh, aha, oh, aha, oh, aha, oh, ee, word and eat it. Okay, there could be another perception. There could be another perception. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay because yes, children get sorry, it's Radha. You are okay. What it was the last image?
They should not harm one another. Like the lion killed the bird, so it should not be done. And the king, the birds and the animal, they all should live happily.
Okay, great. It could be. It could be a conclusion. Great. So, roll it. Roll it. Great. Hands here. Okay, great. Let's play again. Very easy game. It is Tare Tare. Tare Tare. So, I'm going to ask Tare. Tare Tare! Tare! No Tare! Okay, one. Touch. One. The whole group push. Relax. Within five counts, find a captain in the group. 5 counts, find a captain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who is the captain of this group? Oh, come out.